I definitely prefer my smoothies to be more liquidy than like smoothie bowl texture, because I want to be able to drink it, not eat it. Oh, I've got such sensitive teeth, that's cold. Friends break. So these are our home flip-flops. I don't know if you can see here, I'm finding fluff all over the house because they're coming off where my toes will sit. Bit annoying after only 2 weeks of wearing them. I think so. Okay, let mommy get it. Let mommy get it. Let mommy open it. There's nothing there yet. It's here. Okay. Give mommy a pull. Give mommy a pull. Good boy. Stinks. Up. Up. We do up. Good boy. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy. You do pause. Other one. Other one. Good boy. Your mummy kiss. Baby, he's going wild for these treats.
Yeah.
Okay, mummy, eat breakfast, then you have more. Okay. Okay, one more, one more. One more, one more. Yeah, one more, one more. Okay, that's it now. That's plenty. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy. Mommy, eat now. Hello. Not much has been going on. I have not worn jeans in so long. This is really uncomfortable. Not much has been going on, obviously, as still locked down, but I treated myself to a little something from Net-a-Porter recently. So I'm gonna, oh, I wanted to show you something else first. Let me show you. Oh, so this recently arrived. I have been using a tester one of this for a while, but this is the finished product. My friend came up with a brow and lash serum, and I finally got my hands on the finished product. I haven't opened one from scratch, so it's exciting. I don't know if you guys can see, my brows are very long. They need a little bit of upkeep, but they have grown. They have grown a lot. So this is the box. Looks very nice. And here's the product. Ooh, I have seen the finished product, but I haven't had one yet. So it's just one of those quickie pens, and you get these in concealers. You can put it on your lash and your brow. I thought you'd show you that, guys. What? That was not a sentence. I thought I'd show you guys this. For anyone that's interested in one, definitely works. And I'll link his website below. Also looks very sleek. Will look quite nice on a counter. Very nice. But let's get on to why I'm wearing blue right now. Because what is in here? Now, after the last palaver I had, where I just felt crap about myself after trying on the dress, I thought I'd buy myself something that I'll always be able to fit into. Because it's not something that I actually wear. I bought an accessory. Now, I don't get the extra packaging from Net-a-Porter because it's wasteful and I don't need it. I got a 15% off voucher. That's very nice. Oh, and a sample for Rose Ingleton MD Signature Moisturiser. I'm going to try that because I need to buy a new night moisturiser actually. But if I show you guys the bag. So it's from this brand called Oriton, and actually they were on sale. Oh, it's cute. And I've wanted this size of a bag for a while. Obviously an ideal would be a Chanel, but that's not in my budget at the moment. I am looking to save for one. It's open, come in. The cat's at the door just waiting there, but let me show you. I thought it would match my little top quite cutely. And this is like an, I thought it was like a baby blue, but it's actually an icy. It's called ice blue. And this is the Arden bag. So this is similar size to my Jacquemus, but I can definitely fit a bit more in there. And I just thought it was quite cute for spring. And as I can't take it anywhere, I'm just going to take some pictures in it inside. Take all the insides out. So there's 2 compartments in there, which will fit like my phone, camera, keys, even this camera quite easily. And I just wanted, oh, there's a pocket at the back as well, which is really nice. You can throw your card or your Oyster or something in there. Let me take this handle thing off because I'm definitely keeping this. There was a 15%, not 50, I wish, sale going on like new season stuff. And this was on my wish list and I saw it in there, so I thought I would nap it up. Do you like it? It's so cute. Now I'm a bit worried. I'm a huge klutz. I really like the structure of it. This is really well made and nice leather. I'm a huge klutz though, so I'm really hoping I don't get any marks on this. But I am not one to baby my bags. I use them a lot. Just because why get money? Why spend money on a bag if you're not going to wear it? I really like this. It's got the little emblem there at the bottom. I do also have my eye on some Wandler bags because they're of similar size. Let's see. Oh, it fits on my shoulder nicely. They're of similar size. They're shoulder bags. Some have like chain detail, some have like structured handle. And I just thought this one would be a good spring one, but also like winter. If you're wearing like an all white or all grey outfit, this would go too. So I am a big fan. I'm going to try to take pictures right now. There's a little card that comes in here. This leather used for this product has been carefully selected. Leather has natural variations and slight imperfections, including soft creases, shading and subtle colour irregularities. Each piece is unique. To maintain the characteristics of your leather, we recommend you treat your new purchase with Oroton leather care products. Do not use general cleaning products. Take care with dark materials in contact with light coloured materials, as colour transfer can occur. And then also don't keep it in sunlight. I'm most likely going to keep it in the dust bag it comes with anyway. Do you like it? Oh. I don't know if you know, but we have this guy back too, who's desperately to try and get away with me. Have you seen anything as cute as that little face? Although he looks angry right now. Go on then. Okay, I'm going to keep this 15% off code. I'm assuming this is my receipt. Yeah, my return label and stuff, which I don't plan on returning it, so that's fine. And I'm going to keep this 15% off code just in case. What do we think? Oh, my tan is developing a little bit. Oh, I like it. It's so cute. So cute. And the lining is like this really nice like woven linen, if you can see in there. I haven't seen or checked the website, but on Net-a-Porter they don't do another colour in this style, which I think I will purchase. It's like the perfect size bag. Bye then. Okay, I've made quite the mess here. So I'm going to clean up and then try and take some photos with it. Up on the mantle for now, and I'm going to leave you there this week because there's literally nothing else to do, and I have no new purchases. That was quite a lot of money, so I'm not gonna be buying anything for a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoyed this anyway, and finally got a bit of maquillage on, so I'm looking relatively decent. I have actually got an issue with my skin texture at the moment. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe I haven't. Well, I have been keeping up with my skincare, but maybe I need to do some more masks or something. Anyway, I'm going on and on for no reason. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully there'll be something entertaining happening soon. I know tennis is opening up at the end of the month, so I'm excited to go back and do some of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys. Thank you.